So what's up? Crank it up, son of a bike here. So today I just wanted to shoot you a very quick video on the spark plug removal on this bike, on this Honda 650 Transalp. And I just wanted to show you a little bit of the issues I have here. It's a little bit hard to get down to the spark plugs. Here the first spark plug, let me just check if the camera is right. So here on this first spark plug, it's pretty easy. You just go in there and you can get this out very easily. That's no problem. The other side, the front cylinder is the same, but this beauty has got two spark plugs, one at the side and one here at the top. The one at the top is pretty hard to get into in this hole. You can't really reach the spark plug. So let me show you this issue at the second spark plug here. You can't even get really in this hole. The nut is too thick. It doesn't fit. So you can't reach the second spark plug. So what usually should help is, I have got this, I'm not sure what the English expression for that is. It's a Rohrstechschlüsselsatz in German, so it's a kind of a nut, if you will, that is just, it's thinner, if you will. And then you have this piece of metal to bring the force on the Rohrstechschlüssel. Right, but the problem is with this product I got from Amazon, the problem is that even with that I can't really reach the spark plug. If I try to do that, it fits, it goes deeper in that hole, yeah, but I can't grip the spark plug. It doesn't reach it. Even that is too thick, and honestly, I have no clue how to reach that spark plug. I have seen this in other videos from a guy from Poland who has used that thing here. So I thought it should be pretty easy to reach it with that, but obviously that's not the case. And if anybody from the audience, any viewer could give me advice how to reach that second spark plug, I would be really grateful. Even if you put an affiliate link or whatever, just if you would comment and give me maybe a link to a product on Amazon or something like that, that would be a great help. So thanks for that. If I find the right tool, I'll let you know, and I will shoot a following video on that topic, how I get this thing out of here. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day, and I'll catch you in the next one.